Welcome to Metro. This is a Mernda stopping all stations via the City Loop. Now arriving at Southern Cross. Now arriving at Flagstaff. Now arriving at Melbourne Central. Now arriving at Parliament. Now arriving at Jolimont. Now arriving at West Richmond. Now arriving at North Richmond. Now arriving at Collingwood. Now arriving at Victoria Park. Now arriving at Clifton Hill. Change here for Hurstbridge service. Now arriving at Rushall. Now arriving at Merri. Now arriving at Northcote. Now arriving at Croxton. Now arriving at Thornbury. Now arriving at Bell. Now arriving at Preston. Now arriving at Regent. Now arriving at Reservoir. Now arriving at Ruthven. Now arriving at Keon Park. Now arriving at Thomastown. Now arriving at Lalor. Now arriving at Epping. Now arriving at South Morang. Now arriving at Middle Gorge. Now arriving at Hawkstow. The next station is Mernda. This train will terminate at Mernda. Mernda. This train will terminate at Mernda. Welcome to Metro. This is a Flinders Street stopping all stations via the City Loop. Now arriving at Hawkstow. Now arriving at Middle Gorge. Now arriving at South Morang. Now arriving at Epping. Now arriving at Lalor. Now arriving at Thomastown. Now arriving at Keon Park. Now arriving at Ruthven. Now arriving at Reservoir. Now arriving at Regent. Now arriving at Preston. Now arriving at Bell. Now arriving at Thornbury. Now arriving at Croxton. Now arriving at Northcote. Now arriving at Merri. Now arriving at Rushall. Now arriving at Clifton Hill. Change here for Hurstbridge service. Now arriving at Victoria Park. Now arriving at Collingwood. Now arriving at North Richmond. Now arriving at West Richmond. Now arriving at Jolimont. Now arriving at Parliament. Now arriving at Melbourne Central. Now arriving at Flagstaff. Now arriving at Southern Cross. The next station is Flinders Street. This train will terminate at Flinders Street. Flinders Street. This train will terminate at Flinders Street.